Crab Rangoon Pizza. There's gonna be some angry Italians out there. What have I done?
Welcome to the channel, everybody. And as usual, all the ingredients will be linked in the description box down below. Let's start with the filling. We're gonna take about 4 scallions and chop them up finely. Then we're gonna take about 250 grams of imitation crab, cut in 1/2-inch pieces. Then we're gonna take some softened cream cheese, add about a tablespoon of tamari, some garlic powder. We're gonna add in our scallions that we chopped, along with some pecorino romano. I mean, after all, we are making some pizza. Then thoroughly fold in the imitation crab. Final step is to add about 1/2 cup of ricotta cheese. It will make it nice and creamy. We'll set that aside to chill while we fry some wonton chips. Get your oil nice and hot, about 350 or until it bubbles around chopstick. I took about 6 wonton wrappers and I cut them into about 1/2-inch strips. Just fry them until they stop sizzling and bubbling. It happens really quick. Take this out, put it on a wire rack to drain, and continue with the rest of them. And once they're done frying, you always want to salt them a little bit. This step was really quick, really easy. Now on to our pizza dough. If you want to use my pizza dough, recipes down below. It will take 24 hours to proof, or you can use your favorite recipe, whatever works for you. When making a star pizza, you want to knock out as much air from the dough as you can. We're not looking to make a traditional crust. We want those nubbins that are stuffed with crab rangoons, and this is how you're going to do it. Make 4 cuts just like this, about 1 inch deep. You don't want to go any deeper than that. Then in between the 4 cuts, you want to make 4 more for a total of 8 cuts. Now you only want to stuff this with about a tablespoon of filling. You don't want to go any more because it's going to be too big and it's going to burst open. Now to create these little nubbins, we're going to pinch the seams closed like this. Make sure that they are very well pinched together, because the last thing that you want is for these to explode in the oven and melt all over the place. It's going to be messy cleanup. Continue to fold and pinch all the star points until you're done. Now, next step is to put some more crab rangoon filling on the pizza. Make sure you get a nice even layer. I'm going to take some ricotta cheese and pipe some all around. It's going to create a really nice, bubbly, creamy topping. Now make this look pretty. And now if you don't have a pizza oven like I do, you definitely can make this in your home oven. Just make it exactly like how you would make a pizza in your oven. After 45 seconds or so, I'm gonna give this pizza its first turn. Now the temperature of my deck was about 720 degrees. I wanna check the bottom. We have nice leopard spotting down there, so I'm really happy. I'm gonna give this another turn. I want a little bit deeper coloration on the crust, but not too aggressive. I don't want too much burnt stuff. And after about 2.5 minutes, our star pizza is done. Let's bring this inside, and now it's time to cut it. I should have cut it all the way across. I don't know why I'm cutting individual slices like this. I don't know, just making life more difficult for myself. I always like to slice my pizza before I garnish my pizza. That way I'm not cutting through the garnishes. Now this is a sweet and sour sauce that I made in-house, but you can use any kind of sauce that you eat your crab rangoons with. I know most of us have sweet and sour sauce packets from Chinese restaurants in our emergency condiment drawer. Use that or whatever you eat your crab rangoons with. As you can see, we used our wonton chips and scallions as garnish, and our star pizza is done.
All right, my friends, so this is the Crab Rangoon Pizza. There will be angry Italians. Yeah, Crab Rangoon Pizza. I've seen it before. Different, obviously, no one on the planet has made a Crab Rangoon Pizza like this. I did my homework, I Google imaged it and all stuff, and nothing came up like this. So, hey, we here are pioneers of this Crab Rangoon Pizza, the Crab Rangoon Star Pizza, or this Stargoon is what I want to call it. Or if you want to, you call it flour pizza. If you make this, you can name it whatever you want. But man, without further ado, the undercarriage, this is a little soft. Maybe I took too long shooting photos while this was cooling. But anyways, here we go. Let's dive right on in. It's exactly what you think it would be. Crab Rangoon, basically Crab Rangoon stuffed pizza. I'm digging this. This is a fun, interesting pizza to eat. Interesting probably isn't the right word, but this is really fun pizza, and it's tasty. You definitely can use any kind of crab you want, your favorite crab. When it comes to Crab Rangoon, I love the imitation crab. That's, I think that was the first time when I had Crab Rangoon, that was the flavor that is locked in my brain. I've had it, you know, with different crabs, and you know, personally for my private chef business, I do use king crab, which is awesome. When you get to the end, right, as you can see here, it's full of Crab Rangoon stuff. No matter how good this is, this will never, at least for me, this will never replace you know, like a traditional pizza. Have some fun in the kitchen. There's no reason for anyone to get upset about this, right? If this upsets you, don't make it. Like I said, this is a pretty fun recipe to make. It's different. So if you want to jazz up your pizza nights, you know, and do one of these as maybe the appetizer, it would be fun. There you go. And the wonton chips, they do add a nice little crunch to it, which adds to the Crab Rangoon eating experience. This Crab Rangoon pizza is rich. I ate 2 slices and I feel like I ate a dozen Crab Rangoons. I had a lot of fun. Thank you so much for joining in. Again, click the like button down below, subscribe. All right, my friends, that was really delicious and really fun thing to make. I definitely will be making this in the future for, you know, like parties and stuff like that. I'll bring that one Crab Rangoon pizza where everyone's just gonna be like, ooh, what is that? Give this recipe a try. And with that, I'm gonna leave you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take care of yourselves, and as always, peace.